Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you PowerSchool how to find out district. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To find out district students in PowerSchool within your school district, it depends on how your school defines and tracks this data. So what you need to do is first simply head over and open up your browser. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is just simply tap on your search bar and type in PowerSchool.com and then simply log into your account. Now once logged in, go to the start page, and in the students search box what you need to do is use a query such as out of district is equal to guess, and then all you gotta do is replace out of district with the actual field name used by a school, example district resident or transfer status or custom tag. Then simply press enter to filter the list. You can also use a student field view report by simply going to the start page, then tapping on system reports and selecting student field view, and in the field box enter the middle field name, example out of district, and then simply click on submit, and lastly review the results to find students marked as yes, true or similar indicators. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.